Hello everyone, so we are back with another tutorial video on discount win wheel for WooCommerce. So this is Munam from Make Web Better, and in today's demo video I will explain you how you can customize the pop-up settings, how you can export and delete the user list, and how you can customize the email template, and at last I will be explaining you how you can integrate your discount win wheel plugin with Mautic. So we are on the WordPress dashboard, and let's move to the backend settings of the discount win wheel. So we are on the backend settings of the discount win wheel, and in the previous part, the part 1 and the part 2, I have explained you about the general settings, coupon settings and segment settings. Now in today's demo video, I will be explaining you about the pop-up settings, the user list, email templates and integrations. So let's start with the pop-up settings. So the pop-up setting, with this functionality, the admin can fully customize the discount wheel pop-up text and background color, background image according to his choice. So the very first setting is the text settings. So the first functionality is heading text. So with this functionality, the admin can customize what text to show at the heading of the win wheel pop-up. Suppose we have written a golden opportunity is waiting for you. So this text will be displayed at the heading of the win wheel pop-up. Center text. So here the admin can decide what text will be reflected at the center of the win wheel pop-up. So like if I have written enter your email below and try your luck on our win wheel, so this text will be displayed at the center of the win wheel pop-up. Footer text. So with this functionality, the admin can decide the text to show at the footer section of the win wheel pop-up. Like if I have written this pop-up is for demonstration purpose only, so this text will be displayed at the footer section of the win wheel pop-up. Placeholder text. So with this functionality, the admin can decide the text for the email input box. So if I have written this text, enter your email, so this text will be displayed at the input box of the email of the win wheel pop-up. Spin button text. So with this functionality, the admin can decide the text for the spin button. Like if I have written spin the wheel, so on the spin button text, this text will be displayed. Next is invalid email tip. So with this functionality, the admin can customize what text to show below the input box when a user enters an invalid email. So if the user enters an invalid email, so this message will be reflected on that section. Next is valid email tip. So with this functionality, the admin can customize what text to show below the input box when the user enters a valid email. So when the user enter a valid email tip, so the valid email tip, so this text will be reflected on that section. Email exists text. So here the admin can customize what text to be reflected when a user enters the same email ID. Suppose if I have written this email has already been used, so if a user enters the same ID, this text will be reflected. Next is success heading text. So with this functionality, the admin can customize the heading text of the wheel pop-up after a successful spin. Like if a user has got a successful spin, so this text will be displayed for the user. Check email text. So with this functionality, the admin can decide what text to show at the center when coupon code is sent via email. So if I have written or someone has written in this checkbox, check your email for coupon code, so this text will be displayed at the center when the coupon code is sent via email. Coupon message. So with this the admin can enter the text which will be displayed at the center when the coupon code is shown in the pop-up. Like if I have written you have got this percent discount and here is your coupon code, so when the user is spinning the wheel and he has got a successful spin, so this text message is displayed along with the coupon code, along with the discount and the coupon code. Continue button text. So with this functionality, the admin can display the text to be shown for continue button after a successful spin. Like if the user has got a successful spin, so on the continue shopping button, this text will be shown, continue shopping. No discount heading. So with this functionality of no discount heading, the admin can customize the heading text when the pop-up wheel user gets no discount. So when the user spins the wheel and it gets no discount, so whatever the text we have written here, it will be displayed for the user. Next is no discount text. So with this functionality, the admin can customize the center text of the wheel pop-up when the user gets no discount. So if I have written this, you seems not so lucky this time, so this text will be displayed at the center of the wheel pop-up when the user gets no discount. Next is try again button text. So with this functionality, the admin can enter the text which will be displayed when the user gets no discount. So this whatever the text we have written, so on the try again text button, this text will be displayed when the user gets no discount. Show privacy policy page link on pop-up. So if you want to show the privacy policy page, you can click on this tick box. So with this after that you click on the check box, you can show the privacy policy on the wheel pop-up. So if you want to show the privacy policy page, so you can click on this check box, and the privacy policy page will be shown on the wheel pop-up. So all the settings have been done for the text settings. Now let's save setting. So the next setting is color setting. So with this color setting, the admin has full authority to customize the color of the various text. Like he can customize the button color, he can customize the footer text color. Like if I have selected this button color, so if I have selected this color, so when I will show you on the front end how these colors will reflect on the wheel pop-up. So all the settings have been done for this color settings. Now let's save setting. So now the third is background settings. So here what we can do is we can either select the background image, or we can select the background color of the wheel pop-up. So you can't select the background image and the background color at the same time. You can select any of the two background settings. Like if I have selected the background color as green, so I cannot select this background image. And if I have selected this background image, so I cannot select the background color. So with this background image, you can customize, or you can upload the image according to your choice. Like if I have uploaded this image, like I have used this logo and this text, so you can also customize your image and upload it, and you can use at the background of the wheel pop-up. And if you want the background color, you can select this option and you can select the background color. Like I have selected the background color as green, and now I'm going to save the settings. So I will show you how this background color will reflect on the front end of the wheel pop-up. So now let's move to next settings, that is users list. So with this feature of user list, or with this setting, the admin can check all the list that is generated for all those users who get a successful spin of discount wheel pop-up game. So here you can check all the details including user discount, user ID, email. Here you can also perform the two actions that are you can bulk export or bulk delete the user data. So if you want to export the bulk user data, you can simply select the option, and you can select whatever the user data you want to download. You can download in .csv file. Like if I have selected this three user names, a winner number, so if I want the data of all these three users, so I can simply select this and I have to apply, and this will be exported in the .csv file. As you can see, this has been downloaded in the user list .csv. So in this way you can export the user bulk export the user data, or if you want to delete, you can simply select the delete option, and you can select the user data you want to delete, and you can simply click on apply. But if once you delete the data, you cannot undo the deletion and recover the deleted content, so you have to be very careful while deleting the user list. So this was all about the user list. Now let's move to next setting, that is email template. So in this email template settings, the admin can fully customize the email template that will be sent to the customer containing coupon code on their successful spin. So here the admin can write the customer ID to whom he wants to send the email. Then he can write the subject here and email heading. Then he can prepare the content for the customer that will be sent to the customer email. Like we can attach the coupon code that a customer has won, and you can use these short codes for the email template. Like for the coupon code, here is the short code, and for the name of the website, you can use this short code. And these are the various useful short code that can be used for the email templates. Next is footer text. So what on footer text, what will be displayed, you can use this short code. Next is base color. You can also customize the base color according to your choice. Like you can choose whatever color you want for the base color, header text color, background color, body background color and the body text color. So after all the settings have been done for the email template settings, you have to click on save settings. So all the settings have been done for the email template settings. Now let's move to the next setting, that is integrations. So discount win wheel for WooCommerce offers integration with Mautic CRM. So you can integrate your Mautic account with the discount win wheel plugin by installing the Mautic WooCommerce integration. So after you have integrated the discount win wheel to Mautic, you can create custom fields and segments in Mautic for a discount win wheel. So this was all about the backend settings. Now let's move to the front end settings and see how these settings will reflect on the front end. So now let's click on this wheel icon to enable the win wheel pop-up game. So as you can see that the background color is green, and the text and the header text and the footer text and the button text and the input box text and the color button is yellow. So so this is reflecting because as we have done all the settings at the back end, which is reflecting on the wheel pop-up. So this is how the admin can easily customize the pop-up settings and the email templates, and this will this is how it will reflect on the front end. So this was all about the demo video of discount win wheel, and if you haven't watched the part 1 and part 2 of discount win wheel for WooCommerce, you can watch it by clicking on the link mentioned in the description content. So if you have any queries regarding the plugin functionalities, you can mention the queries in comment section and we will be glad to help you. So till the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.